Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today I am very excited to tell you about the brand new UltraColor Pro full color heat transfers. That's right, the latest evolution of the UltraColor line is here. And in this video, we're going to be going over all the brand new features, how it fits in with UltraColor Max, Soft, and Stretch, as well as how to order your transfers, and then we're even going to print a shirt right here on the heat press. No spoilers, but there are two highly requested improvements from UltraColor Soft that we think you're absolutely going to love here with UltraColor Pro. So buckle up, let's get right into it. If you are new to Transfer Express, we are the world's largest supplier of custom screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, free customizable designs, wholesale apparel, and expert advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're kicking out new videos like this one every single week. Before we start talking about how UltraColor Pro fits into the rest of the full color heat transfer line available from Transfer Express, let's touch on those two major improvements. The first being, at lower quantities, it's cheaper than UltraColor Soft. Available on the same 11.5 by 18-inch sheet size, at the same minimum of 6 pieces, the new UltraColor Pro is $4.66 less per sheet than Soft at that 6 quantity. So that's almost $30 in savings off your order right there. Now, as you go up in quantity, the pricing is going to equalize out, and there's less than a 10-cent difference pretty much all the way up into the hundreds of quantity. The big difference now with UltraColor Pro is that it is a hot peel transfer. No more waiting for UltraColor Soft to cool down before you remove that carrier. You can pull it off right when the press opens, speeding up your large runs and your productivity. The hot peel also eliminates the need to use a cover sheet. However, one is still going to be included with every single order of transfers if you do want to cover and repress if you notice any of that adhesive outline on your first press. Now, UltraColor Max is still going to be there for your lower quantity and lower piece orders. Using the example of a standard 11 by 11 print, Max is still less expensive up until we get to about 24 quantity. And that's not considering all of the other goodies that you could pack onto the gang sheet with UltraColor Pro. Things like inside tags or like left chest prints or other logos that you just want to have for future use. However, UltraColor Max being priced by the square inch, it is priced differently than Soft, Stretch, and Pro with their sheet pricing. You could always swap between the full color transfer types right here in the bottom left of EasyView Online Designer at transferexpress.com to see what's going to be the most economical transfer choice for your project while you're ordering your transfers. Now, UltraColor Pro is kind of a replacement for UltraColor Soft. But Soft isn't going anywhere anytime soon, as we want you to be able to support your customers who have ordered it in the past and want that identical look and feel, which, let's talk about the difference in feel here. With UltraColor Pro, it still has a matte finish with no shine, but it isn't quite as matte or soft to the touch with that velvety feel that the print has on UltraColor Soft. But as you can see here, to the camera and to the eye, UltraColor Soft and UltraColor Pro look almost identical. Since they're both hot peels now, you may be wondering what the big difference between UltraColor Pro and UltraColor Max is. Well, it's not just the pricing, but UltraColor Pro is ordered just like Soft, with no need for print-ready artwork. Any design changes, edits, or low resolution in your images will be handled by us completely free of charge on UltraColor Pro, UltraColor Soft, and UltraColor Stretch orders. So if UltraColor Max is showing some areas of concern on your artwork in that heat map step, you could avoid the additional proofing charge by swapping over to UltraColor Pro. Now, ordering is simple and easy, just like any of our other transfer types. You could design your t-shirts online in the free EasyView Online Designer at transferexpress.com, or just upload your own artwork and arrange your designs onto gang sheets. Just select your transfer type from the bottom left. UltraColor transfers are listed under the full color option in print method, and then you'll see UltraColor Pro right from the designer here. You could set all of your product details, your quantity, and then even check your fabric compatibility. Once you're all set, just click Next to review all of your specs, add your order to your cart, and then you could check out. UltraColor Pro transfers ship in 2 business days if ordered before production cutoff, and now that our transfers have arrived, let's apply them. Now you're going to notice that these transfers come in a resealable bag with a gel pack included. Keep those. For long shelf life, this is the best way to store your UltraColor Pro transfers to ensure they stay fresh and ready to apply down the road. Now we're going to check the application instructions. Here you'll notice 2 different application instructions dependent on the fabric that you're printing on. We're going to be doing a cotton shirt here today, so we're going to defer to the higher application temperature. So back to the heat press and let's dial in those settings. Back here, for 100% cotton, we're going to be looking at 340 to 360 degrees. 10 seconds on our timer with a medium to firm pressure, so we're going to aim our Hottronics press here for about a 7 on our pressure. Next, we're going to load our shirt onto the heat press and pre-press. That's going to remove any moisture and wrinkles from our shirt and give us a great canvas for printing here. Next, we'll lay our transfer down onto the garment. We're going to lay it with the ink side down so the image reads correctly. There's no need for a cover sheet here. This plastic carrier is going to act like a cover sheet, and then we'll just apply this one for 10 seconds and peel it hot when the press opens. Wow, look how great this full color transfer looks on this 100% cotton shirt. And you saw how easy that hot peel just peeled away, and look at this clear outline, barely even noticeable with just one press. On some colors and weaves of fabric, that clear outline may be a little more pronounced than others. To reduce the appearance of that, we include the cover sheet here with your order if you do want to press your transfer again. Just cover the print and press the transfer again for 4 to 6 seconds. And there you have it, a beautiful, durable, full color print. Now just to recap everything about UltraColor Pro, we've got a hot peel, 11.5 by 18 inch gang sheet sizing. We've got unlimited colors, fine detail, free floating text available to print. You don't have to group everything together. We have a minimum quantity of 6. Screen printed adhesive on top of that digital print for a super long lasting t-shirt. We wash test all of these to 50+ wash dry cycles before releasing them to you so that it's a product that you could trust in. It prints at a low 290 degrees for synthetic fibers like that 100% polyester, or bump it up if your fabric could take it in that 340 to 360 degree range for cottons and cotton poly blends. Again, with all of the transfers that we have here at Transfer Express, there is no weeding. All of these transfers come ready to apply. Don't worry about mirroring your art or anything like that. Submit it to us just like you would want it printed, and we'll take care of all of the rest. Now, UltraColor Pro is really going to be ideal for your larger runs or runs with huge full-size, full-color artwork. Now, when I say full-color artwork, I really just mean artwork with 3 or more colors in the design, or any gradients, fades, or photorealistic detail. You can request free samples of the new UltraColor Pro heat transfers at the link we'll put right here and down in the description below. We're pretty excited about this evolution in the UltraColor heat transfer family, and I think you're going to love them too. Now, here at Transfer Express, we are dedicated to helping you and your t-shirt business succeed with tons of inspirational ideas, marketing tips, tricks, heat transfer application education, and so much more. Be sure you're subscribed right here to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all the new videos that we're dropping every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.